Your showcase is a trip through the Price is Right department store. And as your mechanical operator, Ralph, I can report that on the second floor we will find pears, spares, a family of bears, the accessories department, and this new baker's rack.
This baker's rack is a very popular piece of furniture made of wrought iron with brass trimmings, has butcher block cutting board with space for your bottles of wine from Corsican.
And now, we're on our way up to the third floor, where we have ceramic hogs, little stuffed dogs, the appliance department, and this microwave range.
This Tappan electric range has a big microwave oven on top with tap and touch controls, 4-burner cooktop, self-cleaning lower oven with variable broil, black glass styling. It's by Tappan.
And on the fourth floor, we'll find baseball caps, shoes with taps, the furniture department, and this dinette set.
You can make any meal delicious while seated at this handsome rattan and glass dinette. Seats and backs are covered in a heavy cotton diamond indigo fabric, ideal for any home.
And finally, up on the fifth floor, we have nails, pails, penny bank jails, the automotive department, and this new car.
The Renault Alliance DL with steel-belted radial tires, tinted glass, quartz digital clock, California emission, and more. And it's built in America.
And each and every floor of this department store showcase can be yours if the price is right.